Now we are going to discuss exercise question. Exercise question of electricity. First question is given. A piece of wire of resistance R. In first question, given resistance, R is resistance of wire. It is cut into 5 equal parts. Cut into 5 equal parts. In question first, you have given R is resistance of conducting wire and it is cut into 5 equal parts. And in question, these parts are then connected in parallel if the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash. R dash is equivalent resistance. Are then connected in parallel if the equivalent resistance of this combination are R dash, then you have to find R over R dash. R dash. Since resistance is cut into 5 equal parts, so equivalent resistance R equivalent equal to 1/5 by R plus 5 over R, that is 5 over R, 5 upon R, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why we had 5 times? Because these are 5 equivalent resistance. First one, second, third, fourth and fifth. If we sum these resistance, we get 25 upon R, 1 by R equivalent. Then R over R dash, R over R equivalent equal to 25. This is your first answer. In second question, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? Electrical power. What do you understand by electrical power? Electrical power P. P equal to voltage into current. From Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR. Then put the value of V in equation first. P becomes IR into I equal to I square R. Now if we rearrange this, then I equal to V by R. Then power becomes P equal to V. In place of I, we put the value of V by R. Then V by R equal to V square by R. This is your second expression for power, and this one is first one, and this one is initial equation. Now third one, option B says that expression of power is IR square. It is wrong because P equal to VI, and if we remove V, then we get P equal to IR into I. This equal to I into I square into R, not I square. So this one is your correct expression and this one is your wrong expression. Now question number third. Second equation, in question number third, you have given an electrical bulb is rated 224 volt, यानी V equal to 224 volt. Okay, voltage of electrical bulb is given 224 volt and power is 100 watt. Power given P equal to 100 watt, and we have to find out when it is operated as, when V equal to 110 volt, then P equal to watt. Okay, since we know that P equal to power can be represent as voltage into current, P equal to V into I. Okay, value of I is not given. Okay, now I is equal to P by V. Power in this case is 100 watt and voltage is given 220, then cancel out, 2 5 are 10, 200 to 0, 202. Okay, 5 by 11 ampere, and you have to calculate power in this case when current is 100 volt and when voltage is 100 volt and current is 5 by 11 ampere. Then in this case P equal to VI, value of V is 110 and current is 5 by 11. This becomes 10 into 5 equal to 50 watt. In this case power comes out to be 50 watt. So option is watt. Now a question is given. Next question, question number 4 is given. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from 220 volt line. Given current is 5 ampere and voltage V equal to 224 volt. Okay, determine, you have to find out power of motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Now in this question current is 5 ampere, voltage is 220 volt, and you have to calculate power of motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Then power is P equal to voltage into current. Value of voltage is 220 volt and current is 5 ampere. Then it becomes 5 0, 5 to the 10 0, 1 5 to the 10 1, 100 watt, 1100 watt. Okay, and energy consumed can be calculated using P multiplied by time. Power is 1100 into time 2 hours. We have to calculate kilowatt hour. Okay, then in kilowatt divide by 1000. This one is watt, then 1000 divide kilowatt. Unit is kilowatt hour. Okay, this one cancel out, 2 5 जा 10, 11 by 5 equal to, if we divide 11 by 5 then we get 5 to the 10, 10.2 kilowatt per hour. Then power of motor is 1100 watt and energy is 2.2 kilowatt hour.